Waalaikumsalam,
Halo.
Put.
Waalaikumsalam, Put.
Okay, before starting, you better introduce yourself, guys. Please, maybe start from Putri Nabila.
Okay, hello. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Nabila Alawiyah, from Muradut, and I from Public Administration Department. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay, thank you, Putri Nabila. Halo. Next mungkin maybe Nida.
Okay, thank you, Putri Mutia. Hello everyone, I am Nida Risna Fauzia. You can call me Nida. I am from Serang, Banten. I am from Sociology Department. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you. Next, introduce from Raini.
Hi guys, I'm Raini Prativi from Public Administration Department, and then I live in Jakarta.
Okay, thank you. And last, may I introduce myself? My name is Putri Mutia Handayani. I'm from Public Administration Department. I live in Kabupaten Bandung Barat, Cikalongwetan. Thank you. Okay, guys. How are you guys?
I am good. And how are you too, Putri?
I'm good too. Then, what about Dila and Pipit?
We are also good, right, Pip?
Yep, we are good.
Alhamdulillah. Oh yeah, talking about the future, what kind of future do you hope for?
I think the future I hope for is the future where, yes, I can help many people. At least I can help my family and friends. I hope I get a good job, good grades, and so on. And then, of course, I want to have a happy family.
Wow, so good, dear. Then how about you, Pip?
My goal is to become a translator. The future I hope for is that I can work according to the job I want, and I also can live happily with my husband and family.
Wow, and lastly, Nida, what kind of future do you hope for?
I hope for a future that can make my life comfortable and happy together with the people I love. A future that makes me mature and full of responsibility. A future that makes me useful to many people and can contribute in society. What kind of people do you think you would like to have in your everyday life? Gimana, Pipit?
People who are kind, friendly, understanding, intelligent, help each other, and people I can have deep talk with. That's what I want.
I think I want people who are cool, connect, caring, in my daily life, because people like this give positive vibes to me. How about you, Putri?
I think so, but like I want to people, nice people, success people, beneficial people, and disagree people who love me.
Yes, very good, guys.
Guys, I have a question for you. What are you going to do after you graduate from college?
I think after graduating from college, I want to find a job so I can start working right away. How about you, Putri?
I think so. Slowly find a job while looking for a master level, maybe. How about you, Nida?
What I will do is find a job first and seek more experience in humanitarian organization. And I hope that after I graduate, I will get the job I want. And hopefully not long after I graduate and work for at least 2 years, my soulmate will come soon and get married with the best person for me.
That's great. Do you want to continue your education to master's level, guys?
I think if there is a way I want to continue my education to the master level, my main motivation is wanting to learn more. The next motivation is that getting a master degree is my goal and dream as a point of achievement in life. Basically, I am a person who like to learn new things. Of course, positive things from taking a master degree back at a good university, such as technological power bits, extend critically and express opinions, question of new theories in real issues in the progress is management and priorities, expand friendship, certainly open insight and knowledge, and much more. How about you, Rida?
For now, it has not been thought of continue the master level, but if there is such a need and opportunity, good willing. How about Putri?
Yes, I want to master level, but not very. If not the extent that I will work hard to get the result. The important thing is to make parents happy. Oh yeah. How do you think you will achieve your goals, guys?
I think maintaining the spirit to be able to achieve these goals is not easy. However, there will always be a way for those who are willing to try hard and don't give up on life's challenge. My way to achieve my goals is to work hard and work smart, friendly with risks. Take education according to talents and interests, not wasteful and easily tamed by new technology. Always focus and happy and have integrity. How about you, Pipit?
For me, the way to achieve my goals is to continue to study hard and don't forget to always pray to God so that you can give confidence every step of the way. How about you, Nida?
In my opinion, first of all, there must be sincerity of perseverance to achieve that goal. Don't forget the goals we hope for must be written on paper and always pray to the Almighty. Oh yeah, guys, in your opinion, what are the 10 words you want from your future?
For me, the 10 words I want for my future are happy, job, traveling, smart attitude, togetherness, discussion, family, and friends. How about you, Bila?
I think the 10 words I want from my future are holiday, chill, hang out, rich, with family, life, friends, happy, and work.
I think the 10 words I want from my future are useful, happy, rich, successful, married, Japanese, snow, delicious food, and inner beauty.
Oh yeah, guys, in your opinion, what will our ideal life be like in the next 5 to 10 years?
For I also already having a permanent job. If we are diligently possible to be a successful person. How about you, Nida?
I think the ideal the life is where we feel happy and content with what we have achieved in 5 years or 10 years to come. Might be happy because you can buy a car with your own money, can have your own house, or maybe you can meet and marry someone you like and find the best match in the next 5 years. How about Pipit?
For me, the ideal life for the next 5 to 10 years that I want is first, I want to get a job that matches what I want. Second, I want to get a good and understanding husband. And the third, I want to make my family happy. And anyway, what job do you dream of after graduating from college? How about you, Bilas?
The future plan after I graduate from college is that I want to work in a company, and that's what I will try to achieve my goals. For graduating, usually I study the spell practice, where I will learn to be an entrepreneur. The experience that can be obtained from this field practice can make us brave in front of many people. In India, the plans we want for our future are endless. There are so many things we want to achieve after graduating from college. My other plan, besides being an entrepreneur, I also want to make my parents happy by becoming someone who is successful and being a child that parents can be proud of. Success is considered number one in future plan. So we have to get rid of the laziness in ourselves so that we can become successful people. How about you, Putri?
Simple guys. I want to becoming a public servant, being an employers, have large salaries and permanent salaries. Also, becoming a food businessman or other entrepreneurs. How about you, Nida?
I want to have a job that makes me feel happy when I do it, and I myself will manage and take care of that work without having to be ordered by order. I really want to have a bakery and donut or have a food business that I love.
Wow. Oh yeah, guys. Are there any obstacle in reaching your goals? How about you, Bila?
Everyone wants to be successful and have a bright future, right? Well, to achieve success alone is not easy matter. Success requires the process and time that is not short. The road to future success will be filled with various obstacles and difficulties. It is possible that I will experience frustration or discouragement at some point because things may not always go the way I want them to. And how about you, Nida?
There are so many obstacles, especially from myself, such as feeling lazy to reach the goals we hope, lack of a sense of responsibility for what I do, and also maybe obstacles from people around, especially family who do not support my goals and many more. How about you, Pipit?
In achieving the goals we want, of course, there will be always be obstacles that come, such as a sense of laziness, and also sometimes the wishes of our parents are against us.
Okay, what are you most afraid of happening in the future?
For me, what I'm most afraid of will happen in the future when I'm become 25 years old, but I still have not found a job. How about you, Putri?
I the most afraid of is can't be a useful person, especially to parents. Maybe I think. Thank you. How about you, Nida?
Maybe what I fear most in the future is being left by the people I care about and parting with friends who have made me comfortable with them. Maybe being an adult is a bit annoying because there is a meeting there will be a separation, and I turned it out to be very difficult for me who was still learning to be an adult.
If you were given the chance, what place, city, or destination would you guys like to visit in the future, and what the reason? How about you, Putri?
Okay, I want to visit Mecca and Medina to perform Hajj and Umrah with my family, and I want to visit Japan because one of the reason I like anime. On the anime, atmosphere are very peaceful, clean, and very comfortable. And advanced technology make it a very charming city. How about you, Nida?
Yes, I want to visit Mecca and Medina to perform Haji and Umrah with my family. Maybe for tourist destination, I have a lot of wish list, especially in Indonesian first. I hope everything I want can be achieved soon. The tourist destination in Indonesia that I want to visit are Bali, Labuan Bajo, Mount Semeru, Yogyakarta, Wakatobi, Raja Ampat, and especially in the city of Bandung, where I want a lot of places to visit. Hopefully it will happen soon. Amin.
The place I want to visit in the future is Malang because this city has various tourist destinations to make me want to visit it. One of the popular tourist attraction for tourists visiting Malang is the iconic Bromo. Besides Bromo, Malang also has tourist attractions that are always interesting to visit. Cultural tourism is no fun if you don't visit water tourism destination in Malang, such as Tiga Beach, Sumber Sirah, Beach, and Bidadari Bay.
Okay, guys, I have question for you. In the future, which city do you want to live in, and what does your dream house look like? How are you, Bila?
I want to have a house that is in the middle of the city so that it is close to work and entertainment place. I want to have one room that is quite spacious and cool, maybe on the second floor, with a balcony that can see the city atmosphere. And most importantly, I want to have a cricket roof, a rice plant can be used to drying during the day or gathering in the cool evenings. Obviously, modern, easy to maintain, strategically located, and not too big, so it is cool. And how about you?
I want to live in a city that has a complete facility, but in cool and noisy place. But guys, I don't know where is it. My dream house and my dream house is a fairly large house, a combination of white color and sage color. There is prayer color inside and is a complete house with modern facilities. How about you, Pipit?
I want to live in Germany because Germany is a peaceful country, friendly people, and has a good views.
Oh, so good, Piet. What preparation have you made to get an ideal future? And how about you, Dida?
The preparation that I do will probably continue to the best of my ability, and the support from my family is very important. Most importantly, there must be effort and prayer.
For me, the things that I prepare to get an ideal future are, of course, by continuing to study hard, act inside, increase relationship, and still have to a good attitude. And one more thing, don't forget to pray to God.
I think so, you guys. But for now, I always learning to be disciplined, make time management, and continue to learn.
Okay, anyway, what will you achieve at the age of 30, guys? How about you, Putri?
I want to have a successful business and waiting to have a happy family. Next, I also want to have a business with my husband later. In addition, I also want to achieve several dreams such as building 2 houses, wanting to smart person with character and can be good role model. How about you, Nida?
I want to have a successful business with my husband later, a business that can prosper many people and make me happy, have a complete family and live with the people I love. How about Bila?
Okay, for me, at the age of 30, I will achieve my dream and I will be and as many as possible so that my career or entrepreneurship can improve. And then I will master this one which is mystery of language is needed in this era of globalization as it is now.
Hey guys, what is your dream job? How about it?
My dream job is to become a translator. How about you, Putri?
I'm being a good public servant. Besides, I want to be a food entrepreneur or daily staple materials. And you, Bila?
My dream job is to work in a big company and have my own business. Job include comfortable environment, high salary, understand what I'm doing, and clear career.
Okay guys, by the way, what is the solution to the obstacle you are experiencing? How about you, Bila?
I think one of the things needed to build success and better future is motivation. Motivation can be like to political goal. Politicals cannot run properly without law, like ways with success that will not run without a boost of motivation. Motivation can be in the form of self-confidence, setting targets, saving, investing for myself, achieving higher education, and others.
I think the solution is that you have to convince ourselves to focus on the goals we want to achieve because many people out there are struggling too. How about you, Nida?
I think the solution might be I will continue to try to reach this goal by seriously doing what I am currently doing and always praying that we can achieve this goal.
It's been nice talking with you guys. Have a fantastic rest of your day, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
See you.
Thank you,
Salam.
guys.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you guys?
I am
fine.
good.
I'm good too. Then what about Dila and Pipit?
I'm good. You are also good, ya kan? Aduh, coba.